Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry that this video is delayed. I did really mean to get this out to you on Saturday night, but yeah, things got kind of crazy when I saw my numbers were on the verge of 25,000, so I had to down tools and do something else real urgent. Anyway, in this video we are going to be doing some needle felting. If you haven't heard of it, I apologise in advance for your bank balance because I got this kit 2 Christmases ago, or it might have even been last Christmas. My memory's a blur. We're going to be turning this wool and this batting into a gnome. Squishy, gorgeous needle felt gnome. It is my very first needle felt gnome. It's my third ever needle felt project. So I am absolutely not a professional, but I will give you the basic safety tips and how to keep yourself safe while you're doing it. And if you are interested in how I made this, then keep on watching, and yeah, hope you love it. I did my first needle felting video. I think it was either last Christmas or the Christmas before. I'd have to check because this year's been a blur. My other half got me a needle felting kit for Christmas and I absolutely fell in love with it. You wouldn't know because I haven't done much on it. I did do a video and my very first Christmas needle felt piece was this gorgeous penguin. I absolutely loved it, and a little tiny baby robin. So the principles of needle felting is that you take raw wool. So you've got your raw wool here. You can buy them in bags. They come in little bags like this, or in larger packets like this. Carded wool is what I use. I bought this absolutely gorgeous grey and black set. The principle is you're going to take your raw wool and you're going to turn it into felt, which is what this is. And the way you do that is by using needles, barbed needles, and they are seriously barbed. You do not want this in your hand. It hurts, let me tell you. I got a kit with a couple of handles, lots of needles, some finger protectors, some scissors. This kit has kind of like been taken out now, so you do get more when you actually order it. I'm going to link in the description box below the kit I initially got. If you are interested in trying this, you just take the end out like that, put the needle on, and then change your needle and shove it back in there like so. That's a single needle. I then invested, when I knew I loved it so much, I invested in this multi-needle tool. That's for your larger pieces. It just gets the job done a lot quicker, and it's got that safety cap on there, which is great. You're going to push the wool down with that barbed needle. Those barbs will make that wool stick in on itself, and it becomes denser and denser. The more you needle it, the denser it becomes, the more combined it becomes, the tighter it becomes, and you end up with solid structure like this. For the insides of everything I've made so far, I've actually been using quilting batting or wadding, whatever you call it. This is the stuff I used for my fabric pumpkins. It comes in long rolls and it's that thin sheet. But I think if you're a beginner like me and you're just starting out, or you want to have a go, I would definitely invest in some of the cheaper quilting batting. This works just as fine as everything. The needles work and it will bring it together. So the first thing I'm going to do for this, to make these gnomes, is to scrunch this up into a ball and basically start bringing it together.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. you. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
I'm gonna go for a dark grey body, red hat, light grey beard, or white beard. And I'm gonna use these. These are so gorgeous. I haven't even opened these. I bought them about a year ago. So this is what they come like, big bundles of gorgeous wool. Has to be this one. I think it will just unravel like so. And this is the one I'm going to use for the body. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm basically going to take strands like this and then pull it apart. Again, I'm just doing it this way because this is how I kind of taught myself, by watching videos. Just going to pull it apart and lay it over. Again, you don't want too much. You know, you don't want to use up too much of your stock. You just want to cover where you want it to cover. Rest it over. Hide any little gaps. I'm actually going to squish it on there with my hand. And then I'm going to just needle it in place.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
All year long I've been keeping track of when I've been naughty and nice. And from what I can tell, I've done more good deeds than I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me. trust me, I'm waiting up for you. Coming down my chimney on Christmas Day. We'll be side by side to see. This year Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming home to me.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop.
So there he is, and if you are one of my amazing subscribers, thank you so much. If you've not heard of needle felting, you are welcome. I hope this has showed you what it is and what you can make. Honestly, for my first ever gnome, I don't know, how have I not made needle felt gnomes before today. But remember, I am by no means a professional in needle felting, so just be safe, wear your gloves, wear your finger protectors, keep your eye on the needle at all times, keep your hand away from the needle. You would have seen my hand near the needle at times, but I was very, 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 very much concentrating on that needle point. I'm definitely not in love with the beard, I have to say. The hat is my favourite, but you would have seen me just pin that in on itself, a few little jabs of the needle, and it just sticks to itself, so it's just amazing. Not 100% keen on the beard. Now, I do know that you can needle felt with wool as well, so I could have made a beard using just regular yarn, wool that we call it here. Could have made a strand beard as well using this. Oh, excuse all the dust on it, oh my goodness. But yeah, so that's definitely something I'm going to want to learn how to do, because I could have done it with this, but I really wanted a fur effect. I mean, I'm happy with the contrast between the colours. I just wish I had more of a fluffy, furry beard, if that makes sense. Don't quite know how to get that effect from this carded wool. If you stayed to the end and you read the screen throughout, then this is my 25,000 subscriber giveaway video. I honestly am just shocked that I've even got that far, but thank you so much to each and every one of you who are subscribed to my channel. And of course, the prize. Now, the prize is a resin tray, and I will show it to you now. So you might recognize this tray from previous videos. This is why this video, this needle felt video is out late, because I pretty much had it made, but when I saw my numbers and I realized how close I was to the 25,000, I knew I was going to hit it Saturday. I did actually hit it like around 2 AM Sunday morning, but I just had to down tools and make something for you guys. I put a poll out on my Instagram. You all said I should make something for my giveaway, maybe tools or something handmade. So I made this literally Saturday morning, and yeah, it is one of my favorite trays I think I've ever made. It does need a top coat. I'm going to be putting a top coat on it before I send it off, but again, this was so unexpected so quickly, and it's only been 2.5 weeks since my last milestone, so I did not expect it to come around this quickly. I thought I had another week or two. So this is what I will be giving you guys as your giveaway prize. So to enter, all you have to do is write in the description box down below, say hello, more than just hello, and just tell me what your favourite Christmas crafting is. And also, if you don't generally craft, is there anything that you feel like you might want to start crafting? I will post this, I will provide proof of postage, but I cannot replace it. If it goes missing in the post, I will not, and I cannot replace it. So I'm just putting that out there, because if it never gets to you, I just cannot keep sending. I hope you enjoy. I hope you absolutely love this little guy. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you're thinking of starting up needle felting now, and apologies in advance, like I said, for your bank balance if you are. But have an amazing evening. Thank you so much again for 25,000 subscribers. I honestly, yeah, just amazing, absolutely amazing. It makes me emotional thinking about it. So yeah, thank you again, and yeah. All the rules for the giveaway will be listed in the description box below, and yeah, thank you, massive thank you. I'll see you later. Bye.